Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta from Atta step by step. Measure 2 cups Atta and 1/2 cup water, add a pinch of salt, and mix to form a shaggy dough. Knead on a lightly floured surface until smooth and elastic, about 8 to 10 minutes. Then cover and let rest for 30 minutes so the dough becomes easier to roll and shape for pasta. After resting, portion the dough and roll each piece thin on a lightly floured surface so it becomes even and smooth. If using a pasta roller, pass the dough through decreasing settings until you reach the desired thickness, or roll with a pin to about 2 millimeters. Dust with Atta to prevent sticking, fold gently for neat cutting, then slice into noodles or use cutters for shapes before letting the pasta dry briefly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. These leak-proof containers make meal prep a breeze when storing fresh pasta and sauces, and they keep everything tidy in the fridge. You can find the link and other deals in the description below, and if you liked the tip, give it a try. Now let's get back to the video. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil, then add the Atta pasta in batches so it cooks evenly and doesn't stick. Fresh Atta pasta cooks faster than dried, usually in about 3 to 5 minutes depending on thickness, so taste for doneness. Reserve a cup of cooking water to loosen the sauce if needed. Toss the pasta with sauce, herbs, and a drizzle of olive oil, then serve warm for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.